Some people get their camper van at RV dealers, but for those who desire something truly unique, they turn to Drifter Vans. It's a collective of craftsmen, gearheads, and passionate travelers based out of the Motor City. See how we do what we do and the amazing experience it can be to become a truly happy camper. Our team of awesome designers and decorators work hard to make your dream camper van design come to life. So it's not just a camper van, but your home on wheels. Now they use cutting-edge technology and an artistic eye to make every van unique and special. Then our crew of craftsmen get to work, making that dream a reality. Our client, Nicole Allen, chose the Wanderer model in a beautiful gray Dodge ProMaster provided by Suburban Dodge of Ann Arbor.
My name's Nicole. I'm from Youngsville, Louisiana. I'll be 46 next month, so this is actually my first time being here, but my second camper. I had a motorhome and sold that right before COVID, and my reason for wanting the van is to be able to go off-road and get to a location and stay there. Not have to worry about camping spots or connections and hooking up and all that stuff. So my plans on traveling, or I have no plans. When I leave here, actually don't know where I'm heading. Just gonna go from there. I have 3 daughters, 2 grandsons, and 2 ginormous dogs that I hope I can bring with me periodically.
But who is it exactly who will be building this amazing custom van? Let's get to know our crew of craftsmen a little better.
Hey, so we're here with Nicole's van, and she had picked the Wanderer model, and right now, actually, come around and see on the inside, we've got a lot of the framing done, some insulation, electrical, all pre-done. It's finishing some sealing so that we're able to get ready for our cabinet install, and then we'll be able to close everything in. Here we are, we got a custom end cap panel. It's gonna cover our upper cabinets. It's gonna slide into place just like this. Fits nice and tight, gives a nice reveal, very clean look. We're finishing up our install on our Webasto heater, and this is a ProMaster, so you have an access panel that allows you to get right here to the fuel tank and the fuel delivery system. I've already pre-ran our line through here. Down underneath, we have our fuel pump mounted with our line that comes back to, we're going to mount our heater under the seat, which most typical installations, that's where it's going. So 2 clamps, these little pieces here, this is your connector that will go right onto your factory fitting, and it is as easy as literally push and play. Once you hear the click, you are done, and that's it. You can wrap this up and move on to the rest of your installation. So today we got some of our our window frames put in for the windows, our boxes. We have a couple of our upper cabinets that we've been able to put in. Just finished putting a nice finished end piece on here, glued and pinned in. The bed frame now that goes over the garage is getting closer to completion. It is all framed in and our top piece is in. So we will be moving right along and hopefully be able to finish sealing up the walls and get ready to deliver this van.
As our crew of awesome craftsmen are finishing up, our design team moves in. Nicole's inspiration for this design came to her after an adventure to Zion National Park. Our designer, Kathleen, works closely with all of our clients to make sure that they feel right at home on their four wheels. Once the design is finished, our crew of designers get to work making this van a home. After much work, sweat, and a few laughs, the much anticipated day has arrived. Nicole has flown in from Louisiana just for this moment. Family and friends gather to see what the team has worked so hard to build. This truly was a labor of love.
Oh my God! Can I not say oh my God? Oh my God! Oh my gosh. Like, I have tears. It's beautiful. Do you love it?
Yeah, it's definitely you.
Wow.
Definitely
Isn't
you.
it though?
Your shirt, it matches.
So awesome.
Nicole, it was so nice to work with you. How was your experience with Drifter Vans from start to finish?
Overall, I really started looking back in, what was that, December?
Yep.
And just found the website, sent you a message, like, how long is this going to take, or when is it going to be ready? And you were like, August, maybe, September or something. So I originally thought about just buying a van and then doing all the work myself, which is comical now, seeing everything that you put into it. And I think we just started from there, and it just so happened that you had one coming up, and it was seamless and perfect, just from the guy that you got me in touch with at the dealership. It was so awesome and sweet, and I handled everything from back home. It was effortless, and picking out working with Kathleen, she's incredible. You were so easy to get in touch with. I mean, you responded anytime I needed anything or had a question. You were right there, so never out of pocket. But I think the overall experience with it and has been the relationship, with you guys, because I feel like we're a friend, a friend group.
Absolutely.
And like we talked about last night, it's a family. So I think that's the most special thing, and I can't wait to see all the other vans and get on the road and meet everyone that had this same experience, because it's been a great one.
Welcome to the Drifter family.
Thank you.
It was such a pleasure making Nicole's dream van a reality. Now we can't wait to hear of the adventures that will be had wherever the open road will take her. It's always great to add another member to the Drifter Vans family. How about you? Will you be our next happy camper? Well, stay tuned for more awesome happy camper stories.